Okay, so I've got the auto hub off, the cap, caliper, the rotor, and the hub assembly, which looked somewhat to be standard. Not 100% sure, but the main difference is that these parts here, this one lines up with those two little probes and these two little flats that have cutouts with electricity going through the spindle. It just attaches on there via this single nut. So this single nut screws on, so there's not two nuts and a flat washer that you bend the tabs. There's just this one single nut. And then this lines up like so. And these little locating screws get screwed in to hold this electrical connection that these fingers right there right along in this copper section to get polarity. And the problem is that this Aisin hub obviously won't attach because this piece and this piece, spindle nut, are in the way, where this has a pocket that goes into it, or that the two components there go into this actual hub, whereas this is flat and can't go. So the only thing I can see is maybe using the standard nut and washer that bends tabs with the nut with that hub to see if I can't get it to match up. Worst case scenario, I have to get a new spindle, which looks like I probably need a new one anyway, because the bearing race and the seal race are kind of grooved out. So that's an update.